Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make some whole fish with some spices and lemon and butter and garlic. The fish that I'm using today is called Hamam, or also known as amberjack. It's very, very simple this and delicious. You can use any fish that you want. Let's get moving. Okay, so the fish that I'm using today locally is called Hamam. It's also known as amberjack or greater amberjack. This fish has been cleaned, i.e. the tails are off, the guts have been taken out, the fins and that are off. It doesn't really need descaling. It's not a scaly fish. It's quite a smooth skinned fish. And as you can see, I've scored in some very thin lines, you know, close together, just down to the bone, and done that on both sides. Very simply, we're just going to get some seasoning on that and get it to the cooker. So, first of all, just going to get a little bit of olive oil on there. Salt. Black pepper. A little bit of chili powder. And some dried thyme. Simply just going to rub that in. I'm going to do the other side, and I'm also going to pop a little bit on the insides. See in a moment. Okay, so I've got a dry skillet here. It's getting that hot. Simply, I'm going to pick our fish up. We're going to pop them on. You've got enough oil on there, you've got the olive oil on there. I'm going to cook these for about 4 minutes aside. Okay, so as you can see, just turn the heat off. These fish have been dry frying in there. They're absolutely beautiful. I just want the heat to settle down for 30, 40 seconds, then I'm back. Yeah, I just needed that pan to rest a little bit because it's absolutely boiling hot. I mean, like, it's just so hot. Okay, here we go. Lemon juice, like a cup of lemon. Butter. It's like 2 tablespoons of butter there, and some garlic. Now this is all cooking just with the heat. There is no fire going on underneath that. All we're going to do is get this lemon and butter mixed. Okay, heat's gone, right. Nice low heat now. About 4 minutes. Mixing the garlic, the lemon and the butter together. I'll be turning the fish a couple of times. Beautiful, we're done. And there you go, so easy. So spices on, give it a rub with some olive oil, dry fry that in the pan with the oil that's just on the skin of the fish. Cook that away 4 minutes each side, and then the butter, the garlic, and plenty of lemon juice. You get a lovely, beautiful, tangy, creamy sauce for that fish. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.